the jeans attire, or you are our major award for best in jeans attire. Who's your band? Isama ko gusto kasi mausap ang result. Who's your band? Congratulations, Philip! Number 12! Any personnel? Anyways, the Barangay Council would like to request Honorable Dato Tobilia Marcos. Come on stage. Ato palapakan si Dato. Ikan kanihan 200 karon ng Pasko ni Hapon. Itong amazing Dato ng Barangay Talungon. That's my gabi. Ato palapakan sa walay ka-bupas. Ayan. And next major award, we have the best in casual attire. Who's your best, Bagong people? Ha? Kusga! Again, salamat Honorable Dato Tobilia Marcos. And of course, guys, number 12, isang smile naman dyan. Thank you so much. Alright, our best in casual attire. Sino? You got it right. Candidate number 6. We'd like to request Honorable Lucero. And Honorable Resource on stage. We have another major award, the best in gown. Who's your band, Isiganyo? Ha? Sino? Sino ulit? Wag ka munang bababa because you're still our best in gown candidate number 6. Let's request Honorable Edwin Romero. At andito na. We will now moving on to our top 5. First, I'll be calling on our 4th runner-up, then 3rd runner-up, 1st runner-up, a 2nd runner-up, 1st runner-up, and our winner. For our hot